Working a 9 to 5 as a software engineer isn't reliable anymore. With layoffs, decreased wages, and oversaturation, not even engineers with 10 plus years of experience are safe in their job. That's scary. So to earn money outside of 9 to 5, I decided to build several side hustles as a software engineer. And my best ones require no coding. In this video, I will break down my side hustles and how much they earned me last month. I like to do videos like this on a consistent basis to show you all what's possible with AI and being an entrepreneur. So be sure to subscribe and not miss the next one. And later on in this video, I'll be showing my literal bank account for full financial transparency. It doesn't get more real than that. Starting off the YouTube side of things, I earned $613 last month from AdSense. I know that's literally nothing, but I know some people think that starting a YouTube means $100,000s of dollars in ad payments. That's not how it works. Like literally 613 is how much I made for 178,000 views. Now the bulk of the money is made in the side hustles we will touch on later. AdSense is the least earning side hustle that I have. However, I will say YouTube helps a lot with growing your other side hustles because it is a great marketing platform. Other marketing platforms I leverage are LinkedIn and Reddit. How? Stay tuned. Because Reddit, for example, is a literal gold mine that people just don't know about. My next side hustle is YouTube sponsorships. Sponsorships are most YouTube creators' biggest source of income. That's not the case for me as of right now, but things can change. Last month, I made $2,500 from sponsors. I did 2 sponsors and that was about it. Now, one thing to note is that these sponsor deals were split up in 50% upfront and 50% after the video is complete. So these deals are actually ongoing, meaning I've only gotten the 50% upfront payment from both sponsors. So the actual total deal value is $5,000. But I was at Epic Universe, so I didn't have the time to do the sponsor videos yet. My next big side hustle is AI agents. So I build and run multiple different AI agents that each accomplish a certain task. Now, I'll be honest, last month was one of the worst months for my agents just because clients were on vacation. People were busy, the agents were just not as needed as usual. But already in July, I am seeing double the gains. But in regards to last month, since that's what this video is about, let's break down how much I made from each agent that I currently run. One of them will blow you away. But my first agent is InstaDM. InstaDM is a web agent I built that allows users to send mass messages on Instagram. So if you're a small business and you're trying to get the word out there about your business, about your clothing store or your new cleaning service, InstaDM is a great way to send a bunch of DMs on Instagram and let everyone and the world know about your service or your clothing line, whatever. Last month, InstaDM made about $1,829 in profit. Now, the beauty of this specific agent is it is a $0 cost product, meaning I don't have to pay any server fees, API fees, none of that. It's rare to be able to build agents like this, but when you have 6 years of experience building automation agents, it's not that hard. There are a ton of agents I have built that cost me $0 to run and build because coding is free and a lot of these agents do not require any server costs. Now, one recent change that I did was instead of just letting others use a product for themselves, for larger businesses that make at least $5,000 a month, what I do is a done-for-you service where I run their entire outreach campaign for them. It's phenomenal. For example, if you're a business and you don't want to be personally using InstaDM to send 30 to 100,000 DMs a month, I will do it for you. I will do everything from sending the messages as well as appointment settings. And I charge businesses about $4,000 a month for this. As of right now, I have not gotten any new clients for it, but it's something that I am pushing this upcoming month. So I'm excited to see where that goes. My next agent is a shift booking agent that helps workers auto book shifts for work. It's great for jobs that run on a first come, first serve basis for the shift-based workers because no human can book faster than an agent. So if there's 1,000 workers all going for the same 50 spots for like a lunch shift, obviously 950 workers will not be able to get a shift. So if they use my agent, the chances of them getting a shift are way, way higher. Now this agent costs $0 to run, but I do pay $150 a month for a customer support agent to help the clients in case they have any questions. And last month it made about $2,600 in profit. This was actually the worst month this agent has ever had this year. The reason is because June and July are slow seasons for the shift booking industry. Other months this agent has made me about $6,000, $8,000, $9,000. Now, if you haven't realized already, building these AI and web agents is one of the best side hustles you can take on as a developer. It's not hard to build and you can make a ton of money quick. An extra $5,000 a month, which is very doable, will pay your rent, groceries, and allow you to go on vacation.
I mean, I know you've been wanting to go to Thailand for a while.
I'm currently mentoring 79 plus other developers on how to run their agent development businesses and earn $5,000 to $15,000 a month doing it. Some of my students are already working on $20,000 automation projects right now as we speak. And you don't need to be a coding genius to build agents. In fact, most of my students use no code and low code AI tools heavy. Learning agent development in 2025 is like investing in Bitcoin back in 2010. Learn now and ride that wave up. If you are interested to work with me one-on-one and make money building agents, click the first link in the description. Now, the last agentic AI system I built out is this AI dental system that turns website traffic into paying patients. This is actually the agent I'm most proud of, not because of how much money I made from it, but because I developed this with one of my mentees and we have been running it up since we created it last month. We currently have 2 dentists on board and we are selling this for $2,000 one time and $250 a month retainer. One of the dentists is now our marketer, so he's actually helping us find more dentists, which is amazing. Surprisingly, I have made $0 myself from this. Only my mentee has pocketed any profits and the rest has been reinvested into the business. The possibilities of AI automation are just so endless. I don't know why a developer like you is okay with just doing the 9 to 5. Now is a great time to pick up a tech-based side hustle. Speaking of side hustles, my next side hustle is my own personal agent development agency. I have been getting a ton of people asking me to create softwares and apps and agents for them. I've also had businesses personally contact me asking me, hey, can you come into our business and help us scale to, let's say, $50,000, $100,000 a month by adding AI and automating our entire workflows? This is like a AI transformation partner role that they want me to do. It's new and it's pretty fun. As of right now, I only take on businesses earning $5,000 a month plus, and anyone below that, I refer to my mentees. So whether they want me to go into their business and add AI or just develop an agent for them, if they're not making at least $5K a month, the project will be handled by my mentees. It's a win-win situation because the mentees are able to work on real client projects and earn money and build a portfolio, and the client is happy and I'm happy that my mentees are making a ton of money. Now, last month I made $500 myself from this entire agency that I run. Now, I could have made about $12,000, but I referred most of the work to my mentees to help them build their businesses and their portfolios. Now, the $500 I did make was from a business that paid for a consultation, and I did so well and impressed them that now I'm going to be paid about $20,000 this upcoming month to actually add the workflows and systems to help that business scale. Essentially, I'm like an AI transformation partner. Now, throughout this video, you saw me mention my mentees and some of the work they are doing or how you yourself can become one. Well, no surprise, I run an AI agent mentorship program where I teach people how to make money building agents. I teach them how to build the agents, market them, and sell their agents, and ultimately grow their business to $3,000, $15,000, $20,000 a month in profit. This is my most lucrative side hustle. I used to make the most money building agents myself, but now I earn the most by mentoring others. In some cases, I earn more with my agents still, but in the last 2 months, my mentorship program has exploded, and now a lot of developers have been hitting me up wanting to join after seeing the success of my current mentees. So now my mentorship program makes me the most money. How much? We'll get to that. Due to the high demand of people wanting to join the mentorship, I have to be more selective of who I let into the mentorship, as well as I had to raise the price. It is a one-on-one mentorship, so I dedicate my personal time to each and every student. Last month, my mentorship earned me $34,000 in profit, which, yeah, saying that out loud makes me feel like a senior software engineer at Google. It's wild. I'm blessed. Now, my mentorship wasn't always making me this absurd amount of money a month, right? But after adding amazing weekly projects for my students, having weekly one-on-one calls with each mentee, having group calls where mentees share their client projects and are able to network with each other, creating 50 plus hours of viewable content, and growing my mentorship community to 79 plus developers across 10 different countries, this mentorship program has become my baby and it has grown and blossomed. Then the best part is that I have literally changed the lives of developers in high school, college, and in the actual corporate America workforce. And that's something that is the most fulfilling feeling. And yes, it's good income for myself too. To be a mentee, click the link in the description. Now, with all these totals added up, my total side hustle income for last month was bang. Absolutely sick. If you want to build your first AI and web agent today, watch my free 4-hour course on building agents here.